In this video, I will show you how you can create viral children's story videos within 10 minutes using only free AI tools. Such cartoon videos go viral and get millions of views. Without further delay, let's get started. To make a children's story video, you will need only 3 things: a story, animated videos, and good quality voiceovers. Then we'll combine these and proceed with video editing. Alright, let's start by getting the story from ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and give a prompt. Write a short moral story about a rabbit and a girl for a YouTube video. As soon as you enter that, ChatGPT will provide us with a story. Copy it and paste it in any notepad. Okay, now give another prompt to ChatGPT. I want to create an animated video about this story, and I want to use images to make the video. Could you suggest images for different scenes? I will also provide you a prompt in the description. The next step is crucial, so pay close attention to the video. Now we need to generate images for each scene of the story to create the video. I've got 2 methods for image and video generation. The first one is to generate images with Leonardo AI and Midjourney. Leonardo AI is highly recommended because it provides ultra high quality images and it is a free tool, so we will use Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI, create an account, click on image generation, and then select 3D animation style. Now copy the first scene from ChatGPT and paste it in Leonardo AI. Then click on Generate option. The images have been generated. You can download them from here. Now repeat the same process with all the scenes and download all the images, because the more images you have, the better your video will turn out. This is the first method of generating images. The second method is using Runway ML. Runway ML converts your text to animation video or your images to animation. Okay, open Runway ML, click on Generate Videos, then click on Text to Video. There you can see 2 options: image to video or text to video. We will use both steps for a more engaging video. Now again, copy the first scene from ChatGPT and paste it in Runway ML, and also upload the image which we have downloaded from Leonardo AI. Then click on the Generate option. Within a few seconds, our video will be ready. We can download it by clicking on the Download option. Repeat the same process with all the scenes and download all the videos. So guys, we have generated images and videos for our story. Now we move on to the third step, which is voiceover. For voiceover, we will use 11 Lab. Open 11 Lab, select any voiceover artist according to your story. This voiceover artist is good for me, so I choose it. Now paste your story and then click on Generate option and then download it. So guys, our story, video, and voice are ready. Now we need to combine them in any editing app. You can use any editing app or software, but I am using CapCut. Open CapCut, import all the videos and voice. Adjust the video's timeline according to your voice, and also add animation in your video by clicking on the animation option. To make your video more engaging, you can also add a filter to your video from the filter option. The video is ready, but something is missing. Yes, captions. Without captions, your video might seem quite boring. So we add captions by clicking on the caption option. And we also change caption settings like font, text color, or stroke. Another thing is missing: background music. For background music, we will use YouTube audio library and add it to the video. Now you can export the video.